finally, my Santa Sac's here. And guess what? I got two of them. Two of them. So when the Santa Sac offer first popped up, I jumped online and I ordered two. I wasn't sure if they'd let me order two, but they did. So I was pretty darned excited about that. Now, I know there have been so many people doing their Santa Sac unboxings, so I have a pretty good idea what's already in here, but you never know. And with two of them, I also have a pretty good idea that they're going to be exactly the same. I ordered these as soon as the sale came out and waited and waited and waited and waited, and they got to my post office box the day before Christmas, and I couldn't get to the post office in time to get them. So I finally got over there, got them picked up, and I've been waiting patiently to open them so I could show you guys. Let's see what I got. So the deal, as you know, is Santa Sacs come out a couple times a year. And I'll tell you, I almost didn't order any this time. But seeing everybody else's, I'm glad I did. Because the one I ordered in the summertime was very disappointing. It had weird stuff in it. It had a bunch of eyelash yarn and that loops and thread yarn. It was really, really disappointing. But I took a chance this time. And when I went in there and I put in my order, and it let me order two, I wasn't sure if it would. But then apparently, and they're $20 a piece. And then when I was going through my checkout, it asked me if I wanted to use my points. And I'm like, oh, I have points? What is this all about? So I went in there and looked, and I had enough points to get $10 off my order. So I ended up getting these for $15 a piece is what it worked out to be. So let's see what we got. Okay, we got the Oh Baby Organic, and that is small. Everybody's saying how small it is, but you don't realize how small it is until you have it in your hand. So the Oh Baby Organic, and this is the color Coral. I really like Coral, and I was wondering if this would be appropriate to make a little baby dress out of, or a toddler dress, and I think it will. It's a really pretty color, and it looks pretty soft. And what is the yardage in this thing? It's 50-gram ball, 180 yards. So just shy of 600, five and a half. Yeah, I think probably I could make a small little cover up a little baby outfit with that. So I'm excited about that. I've been thinking about doing that. And we got the basic stitch in that pretty black and white color that everybody's been getting. And it's the anti-pilling, so that's good quality product right there. 153 yards, 3 of those, size 4. And I'm looking for the name of the color Nightfall. So this is a color Nightfall. It's really pretty. It's got black and gray, dark gray, light gray, black, and white. And boy, it seems to me I may have bought some of this a while ago, so I may have even more of this. I love the basic stitch, and especially the anti-pilling. It's really a good product. Says 8 balls for a sweater. It always takes me a little bit more because I'm a little fluffier, but yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna have to find some. This would make a nice hat and scarf set, especially for a guy. I think this is something that's going to be really nice. This is the one that's the surprise. Ooh, this isn't what I was expecting. Not at all. Mandala tweed stripes. I actually really like this yarn. I just finished making something out of this yarn, and I have one skein left over, but it's a totally different color. So can you see the colors? The red, gray, black. Boy, a lot of colors good for making stuff for guys. I think this is going to work out really, really well. I like this. I like this a lot. I like the mandala tweed, and it's a 4. It says it's a 4. it's a nice heavy 4. So this is going to be nice to work with, I think. I'm going to like this. I'm going to have to figure out something interesting to make this. Shooting Star is the color. That's really pretty. I like getting these kind of things sometimes. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. That's the color realm that it's showing. Because this is not a color I would ever buy myself, but I really like it. So I'm gonna have to do some thinking, put my thinking cap on for that. Okay, so mandala tweed, the basic stitch, which we already know alike, and the Oh Baby organic that I've never worked with, and it says it's a 2. Yeah, that looks like a solid 2. If you guys remember, I'm making that baby blanket, which is across the room, so I can't show you right now. And I'll finish that up today. So I'm making that baby blanket, and it's a 2 weight, and it has been fine to work with. I thought I was going to have problems with it being that thin, but I haven't had any problems at all. So let's see what's in bag number 2. That baby opened. Also packed by Elf 1878. 1878 must have been very, very busy because he did a lot of bags. Okay, we got same. All right, mandala tweed, shooting star. So we have many, many hundreds of yards of this now. How many yards was in this one? I don't remember. 426 yards. So I've got 1,600 yards of this. I wonder if I could do a sweater out of this. That would be pretty. That would be so pretty as a sweater. Yep. I'm gonna look into that because I think this would make a beautiful sweater. Okay, check into that. And then of course we have the same. And oh no, it's a different color. The one time I wanted it to be the same color so I could make a little outfit. This is really pretty though. It's a really pretty blue. What is this called? Turquoise. This is the turquoise. It is so pretty, but I'm not sure. Coral and turquoise, how do they work together? Let's see. I'm kind of thinking in my head just a little baby, just a simple little baby dress. You think, can I enter? Yeah, I think that'll work. I'm so bad with colors. That's why almost everything I make is solid color because I can't mix colors well. I don't know what I'm doing. Tell me, you guys, I really do need your opinion. Can I work these two together in the same little dress? Maybe some stripes, some color block. I really like those colors. Yeah, I want your opinion. I really need your opinion. Tell me what you think. Can I use these two colors together? If not, and if somebody else has a color they want to trade, let me know in the comments. All right, that's it for the Santa Sack Christmas 2021. It's almost the New Year's. I know it looks like I bought a lot of stuff all at once, and I did not. Well, I kind of did, but it takes weeks for things to get to me. So sometimes, and then I have to get into town and go pick them up. And some things I have being delivered to my boss's house, and then it can take him 2 or 3 weeks to bring something. So it's not unusual for something to take 2 months from the time I order to the time it gets to me. And then I save them to do unboxings for you guys so you can share the fun with me. This is really cool. I really enjoyed this Santa Sack. It definitely made up for the ones in the summertime, which I swore I'd never buy another one after those ones. They were bad. But I have one more box of items coming that should be here soonish, and I will share those with you when they get here. anyway, that's it for today. I should finish the baby blanket today, and if I get it finished, I'll do a little short and show you the finished product. Thank you guys so much for popping in. It's wonderful to see y'all, and can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye-bye.